Welcome to my channel. My name is Martin Doss, dancehall reggae DJ. In this video, I will be giving you 5 tips on how to be a DJ. Most of you might see someone DJing and thinking to yourself, wow, that's hard. That's probably difficult to do. But guess what? It's not. It's not that hard. I've been DJing for over 20 years and have a lot of experience. And this day and age, 2018, is the easiest so far. Whether you want to do it for a hobby or you want to be a professional DJ, don't worry, I got you. These 5 tips that I'm going to give you will get you out of the house or keep you in the house, but get your feet wet. 5 tips. So first tip, you might need a pen or paper, or you could just use your phone, but you have to jot this down. Choose a genre of music you absolutely love and appreciate. So, choose like 3 of them. For me, I would say like reggae, dancehall, and then I'll put soca. So, name your genres of music, list them. And there you have it. Number 1 and number 2, those are your main genres. This will help you in the long run to choose your clients and choose your gigs that you're going to mainly focus on. That's going to be your main skill set. Those 2 genres that you really choose for number 1 and number 2. Critical. Choose those genres. Tip number 2. Identify the type of DJ you want to be. Do you want to be a wedding DJ? Do you want to be a club DJ? Identify which one is more important to you. You must see DJs on TV or on YouTube. So just identify, which one you prefer or you like the most. Yeah, you're going to be, putting your hands on every gig and any gig you could get just starting out for the experience. But doing this earlier out in your career, you could always say, what, I want to be one of the best wedding DJs, and you focus on that primarily, and any other gig will be secondary and tertiary. All right, so make sure you choose and identify what type of DJ you want to become. Thirdly, I would say purchase a laptop. This may be optional. There's a lot of different ways in DJing. You could be DJing with vinyl CDs, and you could be using a thumb drive. But the method I recommend is buying a laptop 2018, right? And going beyond, you're going to be storing a lot of music. It's easier to store your music, a large amount of music, and edit your music on the go, right? Most of the DJ softwares out there, you have to have a laptop. All right, so that's optional but strongly recommended. So purchase a laptop, purchase a good laptop from the get-go. Just don't go purchasing a cheap one. Make sure it's fast. It can be a Mac, could be a Windows, they both work, but I recommend get the best laptop starting out. Don't go cheap on a laptop. And my 4th tip and step is choose a DJ software and identify a gear setup. This is going to be one of the hardest tasks you're going to have to do in the 5 steps. And the reason why I say that is there's so many different softwares out there, and majority of them are good. Just to list a few, you have Virtual DJ, you have Tractor, you have Serato, right? Your PC DJ, just to name a few. And I would say they're all good. It's just preference. No DJ using a Tractor is better than a DJ using Serato. They both have identical features. But I suggest that you do your research and play with a few of them before you say, what, I'm going to stick with this one. All right? But it's essential that you find one that you're going to work with, and don't go flip-flopping and going back and forth. You want to find a software that you're going to stick with and practice it to the fullest. All right. When it comes out to DJ gear, yeah, I would say just starting out. If you're just starting out DJing, don't go too expensive on DJ gears. Just you get something that you could practice on. Feel it out a bit, because DJ gears change like every month, every year there's something new. You're gonna always have new gears. So when you reach at a certain stage, you could always get the top notch Pioneers or Denons or whatever is the major gear in the marketplace at that time that the professionals use. You could get that. All right, so that's what I recommend, and that's my tip 4. My last tip is what I call the PBP. That is practice, brand, and promote. Now you have to practice. Make sure you practice a lot. All right, then brand yourself. Make sure get those t-shirts, get those ads, social media, business cards, you name it. Your DJ name, create your DJ name, and get a proper logo, right? And promote your music, promote your mixtapes on SoundCloud and stuff like that. All right. So now it's essential to do all of that. And where practicing is concerned, don't pick and choose gigs. Take any gig you could get, right? And if it's free, don't worry. You could get free gigs starting out just for the practice, just for the experience. Try to, get into your local clubs once you feel, a little bit of confidence, and, DJ some more until you build up more confidence. It's going to take you a year. It's going to take you 2. It could take you, literally probably 3 months, 4 months if you're quick. All right. So that's my 5 tips on how to become a DJ. So like, subscribe, and share. And to all the DJs, if you're watching and you have any tips, comment down below. And also, if you're also a DJ, let me know the DJ setup you have currently, and also let me know the DJ setup you started out with. All right. So peace out, Martin Dust. Subscribe and share. All right, so I've been listing all the DJ gears you could be purchasing right now to start out with. I would also be listing DJ software, Serato, the websites that you could go to get those softwares. All right, let's go to the links. All right, get your feet wet, get the softwares, get the gears. Let's start to practice. All right, how to become a DJ 2018. Check the links down in the description for more information.